The KoziSense 2025 massage chair offers a personalized experience with its automatic body detection and artificial intelligence voice control, allowing users to customize their massage effortlessly. Equipped with Bluetooth connectivity and a patented phone controller, the chair provides an immersive experience with 3D surround sound, making relaxation even more enjoyable. Featuring a zero-gravity mode and 7 massage techniques, this chair ensures comprehensive relaxation by targeting areas from the hips to the neck. The upgraded 3-stage foot massager, combined with a calfrest extension, caters to different body shapes and heights, enhancing the overall comfort. Designed for convenience, the chair requires no installation, and KoziSense provides robust customer support within the United States. With a focus on quality and user satisfaction, the chair comes with a 1-year warranty for in-home servicing and a 3-year warranty for replacement components.